Oh, yeah. What happened? Oh, Fwixtle. So like, come on. Like, come on, Fluff Puff. Play with the Mr. Fwixtle. He's looking all up in the air. She's like, it's a trick. You are nuts, boy. Look at him, baby. Yeah, he's a nut. He's like, I'm stuck. There you go. She's like, I'm not impressed. Hi, Fluff Puff.